CVC words. Consonant, vowel, consonant.
Welcome to Ken's Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn CVC words with final sound b, like the word lab. Lab. Oh, speaking about lab, I think Bubbly Bear is in his lab today. He got a tiny lab in his house. Come on, let's go. Let's check Bubbly Bear out. We're about to read more CVC words. Ooh! Do you see that? The water turns blue. I love experiments. Bubbly Bear! Bubbly Bear! Oh! It's Pinky Bunny! Come on in, Pinky Bunny! Oh! Bubbly Bear! I'm really sure I can find you here in your lab. Oh! You know I love experiments. Well done with your experiment, Bubbly Bear. Come on, let's go to the rainbow classroom. It's reading time. We're going to learn how to read the word lab. All right, Pinky Bunny, let's go.
Before we read the CVC words, let's practice the two-letter blends with short vowel sound a. Read along with me. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ya, za. Great job! Yippee!
It's time for you to do it all by yourself. You can do it.
Great job! Yippee! CVC words a with final sound b, b, b.
Now let's begin.
Ca, cab. 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 Gab. 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 Lab. 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 Fab. 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 Tab. 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 Dab. 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 Jab. 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 Great listening!
Yippee!
Repeat after me. Cab. Cab.
Cab. Cab.
Gab. Gab.
Gab. Gab.
Lab. Lab.
Lab. Lab.
Fab. Fab.
Fab. Fab.
Tab. Tab.
Tab. Tab.
Dab. Dab.
Dab. Dab.
Jab. Jab.
Jab. Jab.
Wow! You did an amazing job!
Yippee!
Now, let's try listening from Bubbly Bear. Wow! Absolutely wonderful! Keep up the good work, Bubbly Bear.
Thank you so much for learning with us.
Check out our playlist on reading phonics.
Have a great day!
Bye! Don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos.